Good morning, children. Here we are going to start a chapter 4, that is heat, flow, and temperature. Students, suppose when you go out in the sun, you feel hot. If you go near to the fire or electric heater, you feel the heat. During winters, when you rub your palms against each other, they become warm. When you touch the boiled water, then also you feel hot. So this hot tendency, it is known as heat. It is known as heat. But when you touch the piece of eye, a piece of cold water, then it will be cool. Then it will be cool. You feel heat when the body you are in touch with is hotter than your own body. Beta, when you got something fever like structure, if you are feeling uh, wind fever, so your body temperature goes to high. Okay, so what we will know, the heat is a form of flowing energy. Heat is a form of flowing energy. See, heat is a flowing form of energy. It's mean it is transferred from one body to another. It's mean it transferred from one body to another. Heat flow from a hotter to the colder object. Heat flow from the hotter object to cold object. You know very well, the when your mama is cooking food, it start on gas. It start on gas. It start on the gas. Okay, what is happening exactly? The gas reaches from burner to the utensil. Okay, now introduction is here. What is heat? Heat may be defined as invisible energy. We know very well the heat is invisible. We can't see the heat. Okay, but it is cause sensation of hot and cold. It causes sensation of hot and cold. It is the exact define of heat. The heat is a invisible energy which cause the sensation of heat and cold. Okay, the heat in the form of energy, that's why it is called heat energy. Heat जो है, that is in the form of energy. Okay, because we get energy from the heat from the sunlight. The sunlight is also heat. Okay, the sun is the great source of heat energy. The sun is the great source of heat energy. Heat energy cannot be created or not destroyed, but it can convert it from one form to another. For example, you know very well the heat energy is converted into light energy. Now you will ask the example, madam give example, heat energy is converting into light energy. Beta देखो, sunlight is coming. Nowadays we are using the solar plates. Solar plates means they absorb the sunlight in the daytime and provide light in the night. So that is heat energy is converted into light energy. Electric bulbs give you light in your house. So heat may, can you define easily? This is the definition of heat. Heat may be defined as the invisible energy which cause the sensation of hot and cold. Okay, the next topic in your book, that is effects of heat. Effect of heat means, suppose the heat is going on. Heat means the burning process is going on, so it increase in temperature. What happen exactly? It increase the temperature. Okay, heat affect हीट से क्या क्या हो सकता है. ओके, तो कोई भी सब्सटेंस का टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो सकता है. द सेकेंड थिंग, इट एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द बॉडी. बेटा इन समर डेज यू हैव सीन द इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स, दे हैंग लिटिल बिट, थोड़े से लटक जाते हैं. ओके, सो एक्सपेंड, गर्म करने पर कोई भी बॉडी का शेप फैल जाता है. Likewise, if you will see the railway track, the track also has the gap between two rail. दो लाइनों के बीच में भी एक गैप होता है, because during the summer days these rail tracks become एक्सपैंड. जैसे ही उनको हीट मिलता है तो एक्सपैंड हो जाते हैं, और वो जो गैप होता है दो लाइन्स के बीच का, दिस वन लाइक दैट, ओके, नॉट दिस वन, ऐसा पैरेलली वाला नहीं, इन दो ट्रैक्स के बीच में यहाँ पर एक लूप जैसा स्ट्रक्चर उन्होंने फिट कर रखा होता है. ये वाला जो चीज़ होता है दैट इज हियर इट विल फिल, दिस गैप विल नॉट फिल. ओके, बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट थिंग. Third thing, volume of the substance increases, weight, amount it increases. Okay, next, it cause chemical and biological changes in substance. What is a chemical and biological? Chemical means they change in their texture. आप वही सब्जी को आप कच्चा खाओ और वही सब्जी आपको जब मम्मा पका कर देगी, द टेस्ट इज़ डिफरेंट एंड द बायोलॉजिकल चेंजेस इज ऑल्सो देयर. बायोलॉजिकल मीन्स फॉर द लिविंग बींग्स. जैसे सपोज इफ़ वी विल सी द कर्ड, if we will see the milk, mama take that milk at home and it got she is keeping for the burning, she is keeping for the heating. So what is happening, whatever the bacteria is there in the milk, they kill after the heat sensation. Okay, so see, it cause chemical and biological changes. Next, the heat change the states of matter, you know very well. The changes of matter, you know very well. The water in form of liquid, when you heat it will convert into the form of gas. So the liquid state convert into gaseous state. Now the next topic, what is temperature? What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness. The temperature is also known as degree of hotness and coldness, of the body. Beta, when you got fever, what your mama is doing, she touch your body and she realize ki you are hot or cold. So with the help of hotness or coldness, the people know the temperature. Heat flow from a body from a higher temperature to the body at the lower temperature. Always time, keep in mind, suppose there are two parallelly bottles, one is hot, the another one is cold. You can keep in one poly bag, एक poly bag में उसको tightly बंद कर दो, tightly. After few minutes or after half an hour, you will observe whatever the cold water bottle, it will convert into hot water, because I told you the heat move from high concentration to low concentration, high temperature to low temperature. So here the heat flow from high temperature to the body at the lower temperature. The quantity used to compare hotness and coldness of the body is known as temperature. This is the defined quantity used to compare the hotness and coldness of the body is known as temperature. Just please learn the define of the hot temperature from here. Okay, so this is the define. Now if there are two bodies at the same temperature, there is no heat flow, so the amount of degree of hotness or coldness is measured by thermometer. देखो बेटा, इस लाइन का मतलब मैं समझा देती हूँ. कोई दो बॉडीज़ हैं, they are at the same temperature, they both are having the same temperature, so they are not hot, they are not cold, they are the equal temperature. The heat will not flow. The amount or the degree of hotness and coldness is measured by the thermometer. The hotness and coldness of the degree, the hotness and coldness measured by thermometer. Okay, what is that? Thermometer. We will discuss here thermometer. Okay, I will explain in the next topic. Okay, now thermometer. What is thermometer? Just look here. What is thermometer? It is device used to measure the it is device that is use the temperature of a body. What is thermometer? That is used to measure the temperature of the body. Beta, always time temperature is expressed in Kelvin. The temperature is expressed in Kelvin. अभी आप छोटे हो, आप सेल्सियस में पढ़कर आए हो. जो नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर होता है दैट इज़ मेजर इन द सेल्सियस. आफ्टरवर्ड इट कन्वर्ट इनटू फ़ारेनहाइट. Nowadays you have seen the electrical or the sensational beat thermometer is here. ओके उसको आप टंग के नीचे रखते हो, वन बीप विल बी देयर. ओके सो वो जो है वो सेल्सियस की जगह फ़ारेनहाइट में आते हैं. जहाँ फ़ारेनहाइट आपका 32 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे फिनिश होता है, वो वहाँ 74 से स्टार्ट होता है. ओके द थर्मोमीटर आर अवेलेबल इन वेरियस टाइप एंड रेंजेस. द थर्मोमीटर आर अवेलेबल इन वेरियस टाइप एंड रेंजेस. बट जो लिक्विड जो फिल होता है, द थर्मोमीटर लिक्विड दैट इज़ मरकरी and alcohol. Mercury and alcohol. But mercury is preferred more. क्यों करते हैं? Just listen that thing. Because mercury is the only metal which is available in liquid state. क्यों यूज़ करते हैं हम मरकरी को? क्योंकि मरकरी ही एक ऐसा मेटल है दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द लिक्विड स्टेट. नंबर 2, it does not stick to the wall of the glass. It does not stick to the wall of the glass. ठीक है, पहली बात वापस बता रही हूँ, हम मरकरी क्यों प्रेफर करते हैं? बिकॉज इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द लिक्विड स्टेट. सेकेंड थिंग, बिकॉज इट विल नॉट स्टिक टू द वॉल ऑफ द ग्लास. थर्ड थिंग, it is a good conductor of heat. It is the good conductor of heat. And the next thing, it is shining silvery white liquid. It is shining silvery white liquid. तो बेटा clear why we are using mercury? Mercury we are using because it is in liquid state, does not stick to the wall, it is a good conductor of heat, and the last one, it is a shining silvery white liquid. Now here is the structure of diagram of thermometer. Now I am going to explain this diagram. Just listen beta. Now first of all, the mercury thermometer is liquid in glass type. बेटा देखो ये this is the glass type is here. This rod is made up of glass. This rod is made up of glass. It consists very fine glass tube having a small bore known as capillary. बेटा इस ग्लास स्टेम के अंदर आप ये बहुत माइन्यूट सी एक ट्यूब देख रहे हो, दैट इज़ नोन एज कैपिलरी ट्यूब. दैट इज़ नोन एज कैपिलरी ट्यूब. और इसके यहाँ पर ये छोटा सा बोर्ड से बंद हो जाता है. वन साइडेड एट द बॉटम एंड ऑफ द कैपिलरी ट्यूब अ वाइडर बल्ब. अब देखो यहाँ पर हियर this bulb-like structure is there. This bulb-like structure, that bulb-like structure containing pure mercury. Here it is mercury is fixed. See the level. It is written mercury is filled. This is known as glass bulb. The top end of the capillary is sealed. बेटा यहाँ का जो ये end है that is sealed. Okay, sealed मतलब बंद है. The capillary tube is protected by a thick glass tube called stem. अब ये जो अंदर वाली minute capillary tube है that is protected by this outer shell that is known as stem. That is protected by this thick glass tube that is known as stem, which is graduated for the temperature reading. अब ये जो stem है, on that stem the reading will be there. यहाँ पर लिखी होती है. Okay, 1 2 3 4 have you seen here? That is graduated for the temperature reading. The space between the thick glass and capillary is evacuated. आपकी बुक में एक वर्ड है कि जो कैपिलरी और स्टेम के बीच का ये जो गैप दिख रहा है दैट इज़ evacuated, means there is no air between it. वैक्यूम पैक्ड आते हैं ना, वैक्यूम पैक्ड जिसमें बोलते हैं एयर टाइट कंटेनर लाइक दैट. सो दैट स्टेम और दैट कैपिलरी इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट ओनली. ओके, द स्टेम ऑफ द मरकरी इज कैलिब्रेटेड इन इक्वल डिवीजन. बेटा आपकी बुक में लिखा है कैलिब्रेटेड इक्वल डिवीजन. What is the meaning of calibrated equal division? Means this 5 or this 5 or this 5, they have the exact reading between it. Exact number में divided होते हैं. Okay, the read to the lowest and highest temperature. क्यों होता है? टू रीड द टेम्परेचर. जैसे स्केल्स में नहीं होता है आपके 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 लाइक दैट. सो द सेम एज इज ऑल्सो हियर, द कैलिब्रेटेड इज हियर. when the temperature rises the volume of mercury level is also rises. बेटा ये जो रेड कलर का दिख रहा है ना आपको, that is the rises mercury level. For the calibration of the thermometer, water is used at the normal condition. Now the thermometer kept in steam to give the upper fixed point. This is known as upper standard point. And downside देखो बेटा, जैसे सपोज ये नीचे वाला 0 है. Now this 0, that is known as lower fixed point because downside is here. 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, that is known as lower fixed point, है ना. और जहाँ तक लेवल जा रहा है, सपोज here this mercury level rises till here, so that is known as upper fixed layer, upper fixed point. अपर फिक्स्ड पॉइंट. बेटा वाटर का जो बॉइलिंग टेम्परेचर होता है, द वाटर बॉइलिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑफ बॉइलिंग वाटर दैट इज़ 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. वाटर का जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होता है, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर दैट इज़ 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, दैट इज़ 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. और जो उसका फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट होता है, जहाँ वो जम जाता है, जो 0 है, दैट इज़ लोअर फिक्स्ड पॉइंट. ये जमने वाली कंडीशन है, दैट आइस इज़ नोन एज 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. क्लियर? दैट इज़ अबाउट योर थर्मोमीटर. बेटा काइंडली रीड द पेज नंबर 31. whatever I said, that is all thing written on the page number 31. अब बेटा जो इनके बीच में लोअर फिक्स्ड पॉइंट एंड अपर फिक्स्ड पॉइंट, whatever the fixed points are here, the distance between the two fixed point, it is known as fundamental interval. The distance between the two fixed point, again I am repeating, the distance between the two fixed point, that is known as fundamental point, that is known as, देखो here from 0 onwards to this higher degree rising temperature, the distance from lower to upper fixed point, that is known as fundamental interval. Fundamental interval. Clear students? Now please read till page number 32. Each and everything is mentioned here. Thank you.